It's very good. I love it. This one is vegetable and egg toasty. And this is cheese and vegetable toasty.
Use a vegetable chopper or using a knife, chop them into a very small size. Today I have used vegetable chopper. I have taken carrot, potato, onion and tomato for a veggie and cheese sandwich. After cutting into a long and lengthy pieces, I am going to use a chopper and I am going to chop along carrot, potato, onion together. Heat up the pan and on medium flame add 1 teaspoon oil. Add all the chopped vegetables and add the chopped tomato. And now we are going to add the spices. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon curry powder or 1/2 teaspoon hot chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt. According to your spice level, you can add or reduce. Mix them well and cook on medium flame for 5 minutes. I'm going to transfer half the vegetables to a bowl and the remaining half I'm going to add 2 eggs. For this vegetable quantity you can add 2 more eggs. It will give you a better binding and the vegetables doesn't get crumbled and fall off. Apply butter on the bread and make sure that the buttered bread faces plates on the toasty. Stuffing should be almost dry. If it is not dry, then the bread will become soggy. Make sure that there is no water content on the vegetable stuffings that you make.
It's a bit hot when you make it. It has lots of vegetables and it's too healthy. Good and good. I like it.
Now we will see a different combination of vegetables and we are going to toast it without the toaster. I have used red, green capsicum and onion together. I have chopped it in using a vegetable chopper and I have used the whole corn and added the same spices that I have used for the veggie sandwich here, and we are going to make a toast.